So ellipse. So definition of ellipse is ellipse is the locus of a point which moves such that the ratio of its distance from the focus to its distance from the directrix is less than 1 year. So S is the fixed point here, it is called focus. L is the fixed line, it is called directrix here, and P is the variable point here. Then the distance of the point P from the fixed point is the PS here, and distance of the point P from the fixed line it is the PM. Its ratio is less than 1 year, and this ratio is called eccentricity, and it is denoted by 1 year. If E less than 1 or PS upon PM less than 1, then it is said to be ellipse here. Is the one definition here. The other definition of an ellipse is the set of all points in a plane, the sum of whose distances from two fixed points in the plane is constant here. So just observe here. Here consider two fixed points here. So take this one as S and this one as S dash here. Two fixed point, and P is the variable point here. Consider, it is just one example here. I am taking so PS plus PS dash is equal to 10 units here. Means PS its length is 5 units. PS dash it has a distance 5 units. PS plus PS dash is 10 units. Its sum is 10 units. Like that, you choose the point here so that it's a sum always 10 units here. There are so many such type of points here. Its sum is 10 units here. So its sum is 10 units. So similarly, suppose if you consider this point, its sum is also 10 units here. Consider this point here, then its a distance and this distance. Its sum gives 10 units here. Then consider here is a point here. Then it's a distance here from this point, and it's a distance from this point. Its sum is 10 units. So similarly, it's a distance from S dash and it's a distance from S. Its sum is 10 units here. There are so many such type of points here, so that sum of all the distances from S and S dash is 10 units here. So if you join all the points here, you will get the one curve here. That curve itself is the ellipse here. That curve itself is the ellipse. It shows any point on the curve here. It's a distance from two fixed point S and S dash is always constant. In this example, I am taking constant as 10 units here. It may be other number also. Okay, therefore, sum of distances from two fixed point is always a constant here. Given here. The definition is sum of whose distances from two fixed points. Here S and S dash are the two fixed points here in the plane is a constant here. I am taking one example, 10 is a constant here. Okay, so this is a second definition here. So equation of the ellipse in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 here. So this is a diagram here. Here two fixed points here. S is one focus. S dash is one more focus here. S is a focus. S dash also focus. So S and S dash are foci. It is a plural form here. Plural form. It is a foci. L is one directrix here. L dash is one more directrix. So two directrices here. Therefore, L and L dash are the directrices. Let Pxy is any point lies on this ellipse here. Okay. Join PS. Next, draw PM perpendicular to the directrix L, and also draw PN perpendicular to this x-axis here. Then take CA is equal to A unit. CA dash is also A unit here. This is A and this is also A here. Both are equal here. CA and CA dash both are equal. So CA is equal to CA dash here. Therefore, coordinate of A becomes a0, coordinate of a dash becomes minus a0. Now take by definition here, by definition of conic here. According to definition, L is the directrix and S is the fixed point here, MP is the variable point, then PS divided by PM is always here, PS upon PM is equal to E, means distance from the fixed point, distance from the fixed line here, its ratio is always here. So here just observe here, A is a point on the ellipse here, its a distance from the fixed point is SA, its a distance from the fixed line is AZ, its a ratio is eccentricity. Similarly, A dash is also a point lies on the ellipse here, A is a fixed, here S is a fixed point here, S A dash here, S A dash divided by S A, S A dash upon A dash Z, S A dash upon A dash Z is equal to E. So S A dash means distance from fixed point here, A dash Z means distance from fixed line. So S A dash Z its ratio is always here, eccentricity. Take AZ, that's here, S A is equal to A into AZ here. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Then take A dash Z, that's it. S A dash is equal to E into A dash Z. Cross multiply. Take this one as equation number 2. Okay. Now adding equations 1 and 2 here. Equation 1 plus equation 2 gives here. Adding equations 1 and 2 here. Therefore, SA plus SA dash here. SA plus SA dash is equal to here EZ plus E into E dash here. E is the common factor here. Write E outside. So AZ plus A dash Z here. Plus A dash Z. Then SA, just observe the diagram here. SA plus SA dash here. SA plus SA dash becomes A dash here. This is A dash. So right here A dash is equal to E into, again from the diagram, AZ means this one here. So AZ can be written as CZ minus CA. So right here CZ minus of CA. This is AZ here, then plus. Then A dash Z is there. A dash Z here. Total this distance can be written as CA dash plus CZ here. So CA dash plus CZ bracket complete here. Then A dash here. A dash total this length is 2 here, because this is A, this is also A here. A plus A becomes 2A. It is a 2A is equal to E into, remove the bracket here, CZ minus of CA plus CA dash is there, right? This one is a CA only plus CZ here, because CA and CA dash both are equal here, CA and CA dash. Therefore instead of CA dash I am writing plus CA. Then minus CA plus CA get cancels here. Then 2A is equal to E into CZ plus CZ becomes 2 times CZ here. 2 times CZ. Then this 2 and this 2 get cancels here. Take E this side. E upon E is equal to CZ here. Therefore, you can write here CZ is equal to A divided by E. CZ means this distance here. CZ is a point. The point Z lies on the x-axis here. So coordinate of Z becomes A upon E, comma 0. Point lies on the x-axis here. So coordinate of Z is A upon E minus 0. Even Z dash also lies on the x-axis, but it lies left hand side here. So minus a upon e comma 0. Its coordinate becomes minus a upon e comma 0. Okay. Next equation 2 minus equation 1 is. Okay. So equation 2 minus equation 1 gives here. S a dash minus s a. S a dash minus of S a is equal to E is a common factor here. E is a common here. Therefore, A dash Z minus of A Z is. A dash Z minus A Z. S A dash minus S A is equal to E is a common here. A dash Z minus A Z. Yes, A dash is there. Here is yes. Here is A dash. From the diagram, you can write CS plus CA dash here. Yes, A dash is CS plus CA dash. Write the bracket here. Minus of SA. SA means this length here. This distance. This distance can be written as a CA minus CS here. So it is a CA minus of CS is equal to E into A dash Z is this length here. A dash Z and AZ minus of AZ is this one. Total this length minus AZ becomes A dash here. So this is A dash from the diagram only. It is A dash. Then again the CA dash is a CA. CA dash and CA both are equal. Instead of CA dash I will write here CS. So CS plus CA, take a minus inside here. Minus CA plus CS E into again this length, total length is this is A in it, this is also A. A plus A becomes 2A. It is a 2A plus C and minus C cancels here. Then CS plus CS becomes 2CS. 2 into CS is equal to 2A into E. Then this 2 cancels here. So CS is equal to A into E. CS is this length. This length is A here. The point S lies on the x-axis here. So its coordinate becomes AE, 0. Therefore, S is equal to AE, 0. Coordinate of this Z means this A upon E, 0. Coordinate of S is AE, 0 here. Okay, now use a distance formula. By distance formula, by distance formula here. So this PS is equal to root of x minus AE whole square here. X minus of AE whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So it is y minus 0, it's a square here. Then here this is equal to root of exponent here. X minus a whole square is x square. Then plus a square minus of 2ae into x here. Using a minus b whole square here. So x square plus a square is a square into a square minus 2ae into this x here. Then plus y square. Plus y square here. And this PM is equal to NZ here. PM is equal to NZ. From the diagram only, PM is equal to NZ. NZ can be written as OZ minus CZ minus CN here. Okay, so CZ minus of CN. So CZ minus CN becomes this NZ here. And you already proved here CZ equal to what here? CZ is equal to A upon E here. CZ is A upon E minus A upon E minus and CN here. So CN means this length here. Coordinate of P is xy means here x denotes this distance here, x here. Cn is equal to x. And y denotes the vertical distance Pn. Pn is y and Cn is xn. So Cn becomes xn. Coordinate of P is xy means this is x in it, this is a y in it here. So Pm is equal to A upon E minus xn. Again by definition of a conic here, by definition of the conic, the P is a point of the ellipse. It's a distance from the fixed point means Ps. It's a distance from the fixed line is a Pm. Its a ratio is a always constant here. Ps upon Pm here. Ps divided by Pm is equal to EF. This is by the definition of a conic here. Okay. Then take a Pm right hand side here. Take this Pm right hand side. Ps is equal to E into Pm. But Ps is this one. Ps is equal to this one. So use here. Root of x square plus a square e square minus of 2a into ex plus y square here. Plus y square is equal to E into Pm. Pm is this here, A upon E minus x. So A divided by E minus of x. Then take this E inside the bracket here and squaring here. Squaring on both sides here. Squaring on both sides. Left hand side square root is there. Square root and square cancels. Then remaining is what here? X square plus a square e square minus 2a into ex plus y square is equal to, if you take E inside here, E and E cancels, remaining is a minus E into x becomes ex, it's a square, squaring on both sides here. Then expand this result. So x square plus a square e square minus of 2a into x plus y square is equal to, then it is a square here, then plus e square x square minus of 2a into ex here, using a minus b whole square formula here. Expand this result here. So a square then plus e square x square minus 2 into this here. Left hand side minus 2ax, right hand side minus 2a into ex cancels here. Take this term left side here. Part of the write this x square. So x square minus of this here. E square x square. Then write here y square plus y square is equal to, right side a square is there. Write a square as it is. Take a square e square right hand side here minus of a square into e square, minus of a square e square. From these two terms here, x square is the common factor here, 1 minus of e square, then plus y square is equal to, again from these two terms, a square is the common factor here, then it is 1 minus of e square here. Then dividing both the sides by, dividing both the sides by a square into 1 minus e square here. A square into 1 minus of e square. Therefore this term divided by this term here. 1 minus e square cancels, then remaining is what here? X square divided by a square, then plus. Then this term upon this term. So y square divided by a square into 1 minus of e square here. Then this term cancels here. Then remaining is what here? 1 here. Remaining is 1. Okay. Yes. Now take this term as a b square here. So take so b square is equal to a square into 1 minus of e square here. Therefore, x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. So this is the equation of the ellipse here.